Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the opening match in the best-of-3 semi-finals. Scores are Wolmer's boys on 39 points, Campion College on 25. You'll have noticed both teams picked up a point. Wolmer's for the answer given to the question form an adjective from injury. Injured has been accepted, as in an injured party. And then Campion College picked up a point for what is the derived SI unit of magnetic field strength. Ampere per meter has been accepted by the judges. With that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. Your first question comes from Bible knowledge. A woman with an alabaster box of precious ointment anointed the head of Jesus at the home of Simon the leper in which town? Wolmer's boys.
Town where Simon the leper live. So,
Jericho.
Jericho.
Bethany. Biology. What is the name for the junctions between adjacent bones of the skull which are rigidly Campion College.
Sutures.
Held together by fibers connected tissue. Correct. English language. Give a 9-letter noun starting with D, which means a casual, romantic, or sexual relationship. It's a dalliance. International affairs, a visual one. Teams, look at the following clip. Identify this person, please. Wolmer's boys.
Andrew Mahfood.
Antonio Gutierrez, UN Secretary General Chemistry. How many electrons are in the outermost shell of the element Campion College?
3.
Incorrect. Magnesium. 2. Music and audio 1. Teams, listen to the following clip and identify this singer, please. Wolmer's boys.
Selena Gomez.
Alec Benjamin, incorrect. General knowledge, colloquially known as Ill Belt. What is the official name of this tiny capital city of a Mediterranean island? That's Valletta. Spanish, what is the English translation for Los chicos están jugando con fuego? Campion College.
The boys are playing with fire.
That's right. Geography. Produced by precipitation of minerals from water dripping from a cave ceiling. What is the Wolmer's boys?
Stalagmite.
It's a stalactite. Theater and cinema, a visual one. Look at the following clip, teams, and identify this person, please. Wolmer's boys.
Anchadi.
That's right. Information technology. Steve Huffman is the co-founder and CEO. Wolmer's boys.
Reddit.
That's right, of the 15-year-old social news aggregation website. Correct. History. This African country achieved independence in 1847. Wolmer's boys.
Liberia.
That's correct. Mathematics. What is the difference between 101 squared and 97 Campion College?
784.
792. Incorrect. Physics. What is the SI unit of wave Wolmer's boys?
Reciprocal meter.
That's correct. Sport, a visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this former Jamaican national footballer. Ali McNabb, Jamaican heritage. What name do Jamaicans give to the character known as Tim Alice in Haiti? That's Breda and Nancy. French. La sécurité commence ici is the sign at the entrance of a manufacturing. Wolmer's boys.
Which way is it in France? So it begins here. That's a Toyota.
Safety begins here is what we were looking for. What does the sign say? Literature. A Scullion's Diary was the original name of which book written by George Orwell? Down and out in Paris and London. Art. Which Flemish artist painted Wolmer's boys?
Peter Paul Rubens.
The 17th century work entitled The Three Graces. Correct. Bible knowledge. As the heart panteth, Campion College.
42.
That's right. It's from the opening verse in the King James Version. Biology. Which word starting with V is a collective term for the internal organs of the body, particularly Wolmer's boys?
Visceral.
Viscera or viscous, correct. Those in the chest or abdomen, English language. Which 11-letter adjective? And we won't have time. That is the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Wolmer's boys on 41, Campion College on 27. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.